Okay, I wanted to give a concrete example to sort of push the point home of why constructing a halting oracle must be impossible, because if we did have one, it would allow us almost a seemingly unlimited amount of computational power and the ability to resolve open problems in mathematics almost instantly, almost trivially. So, for example, here's an open problem in mathematics, the Goldbach conjecture, which states that every even number can be written as a sum of two primes. For example, 12 can be written as 7 plus 5, 30 can be written as 23 plus 7, and 72 can be written as 67 plus 5. It seems to be the case for any number we can try, it seems to be the case there's always two primes we can write an even number as a sum as. We don't know if it's true for all integers, but for every single integer we've tried, all numbers below 4 quadrillion or so, it seems to be the case. So here's some pseudocode that would find a counterexample, if such a counterexample existed. I steps through all the even numbers, and then j steps through all the numbers from 1 to I take 1. If j is prime, and I take j as prime, then that means I can write I as the sum of two primes, which means this value of I will not be a counterexample, and it will break and it will try again. If I get through this entire loop without finding a j such that these two quantities are prime, then if it finds a counterexample, the code will halt and it will print I to the output. It'll print I to the tape and then halt in an accepting state. So there is some Turing machine M that implements this function, certainly, because there's an algorithm, so I can box this off and call this machine M. So an equivalent question to resolving the Goldbach conjecture is asking, does M halt? So if the halting oracle H existed, we would know for sure whether M halts or not, and therefore I could solve the Goldbach conjecture. And then several hundred-year-old standing open problem mathematics is easily resolved in 10 minutes by writing a short bit of code and giving it to the magic halting oracle. So clearly such a halting oracle wouldn't exist, otherwise this problem we could trivially solve. So this is the power that a halting oracle can give you, almost unlimited power, the ability to complete an infinite amount of computations in a finite time by having something that may or may not loop forever, and you ask if it halts or not.